So in this video we're going to talk about how you can use Vidiz to actually make money. Now, for a lot of people looking at Vidiz, they might think, well, you know, this is a great software, you can make some great videos, but do I really need a bunch of videos? I mean, after all, you may just be starting out, and if you are, then why would you need all these great videos, logo reveals, whiteboard videos, that kind of thing? If you don't have your own products, if you're not an active affiliate, then why on earth would you need them? Well, here's the thing. I mentioned in the first video that if you get the commercial license, you can actually sell these videos, and that opens up a world of opportunities. It basically opens up a complete business model right away. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this one here. Okay, so just for an example, this is a glitch logo reveal. Now, I'm sure you've been over to this site before, but this is Fiverr, fiverr.com. Now, you don't need a website, you don't need anything, you just simply need to set up a Fiverr account and you can sell your glitch video over there. In fact, you can sell pretty much anything that you find on Vidiz on Fiverr. Now, I've just shown you this because it's a quick example. Now, bear in mind that I'm based in the UK, so it's showing 360, that's £3.60. So in the US, that's going to be $5. So you can see that, yeah, they're starting at well, say $5. So if I click on this one, okay, you can see that there are options. So basic, which is $5, and then the standard, which is more expensive, and the premium, which is again more expensive. So if I click on basic, okay, so one version included, background music. So pretty much what you can do with Vidiz. So it's not a great deal of money. However, by upselling them, you can make some good money. And even if somebody ordered just a basic package, you've seen how quick it would be to actually do this. It's going to take you literally seconds. All you do, I mean, if I wanted to use this one, for example, we just click here and then we add the logo. In this case, it could be this one here, and one line of text, and that's it. Once you've done that, once you've added your logo, or in this case, you'd be adding the customer's logo. So they send you over the logo, you add it, you add one line of text, which obviously you can charge extra for. Click next, let it render, and send it to them. Job done. It's $5, yeah, if they ordered a basic package, but you know, it's that easy. You could do as many of these as possible in a day. I mean, not saying that you're going to get hundreds of orders in a day, but if you did, you could actually do it. Now let's take a look at the whiteboard videos. So here, whiteboard video, if I just click this one, pause that one. So you can see that's 108 seconds. Okay, so we can use that one, and again, this is just a case of adding in the text as you move along, like so. So something like this, I guess it's going to take you 10 minutes, something like that. But very easy again to actually do. And then if I take you over to Fiverr, and bear in mind this is 108 seconds, so almost 3 minutes. There's something similar there. So whiteboard animation, hope you can see that. Let me just move that up. So whiteboard animation there. You can see this one here, which is similar to what we can do over on Vidiz. Okay, so starting at £18. I'd have to open up a currency converter to tell you what that is in US dollars. I'll do that in a moment, but let me just open this one up. So you can see, let's see, the basic. So the basic is £18, £17.98, and that equates to 30 seconds. So that's kind of a third of what you can do over on Vidiz. So you could treble that. So let me see, so 60 seconds, 120 seconds. So yeah, you know, £143.85. Let me just copy that into a currency converter and show you how much that would be. Okay, let me just drop this in here. So, okay, so almost $200 for something that you could do in perhaps 10 minutes over on Vidies. You can sell these all day long. People queue up to buy them, but it doesn't stop there. As I'm sure you know, Fiverr is one of the cheapest places to get any of this kind of stuff done. However, if you took your services out of Fiverr or use them somewhere else as well, then the sky really is the limit. So you can see here, whiteboard animation costs. Now I've just added this here just to give you an example, and some of these are quite frankly remarkable. But you know, it's quite common to pay, you know, over $1,000 for a 60-second whiteboard video, and you can produce that in you know, maybe 10 minutes, and you can sell it for a lot less than that. So you can see the potential there in selling whiteboard videos. Now let's take a look at explainer videos. Now explainer videos are probably even more expensive than whiteboard. So there's a number in here that you can use straight away. If I click on this one, you can see this one is 42 seconds long. So it's a 42-second explainer video. Now if I go over to Fiverr, let's just put explainer video in there. Now this one is $4,000, but anyway, let's keep this serious here and say it's going to be something like this. They vary quite a bit, but you can see that you know, something like this is going to cost $50+. This one here, much like the kind of thing you can do with Vidies, or at least the one that I'm looking at the moment, $71. Let's click on there, and we'll click there. So 45 seconds running time, and that's £71, not dollars, sorry, pounds. So 45 seconds. What's this? So basically the same length of video. Let me just grab that and put it in the currency converter for you. Okay, so basically $100. So you have animated explainer video there. Well, there's actually several, but this one, for example, 42 seconds long. You're going to get around about $100 for that on Fiverr. And remember, Fiverr is one of the cheapest places to sell these. So if you had your own website, you could sell any number of these. So explainer videos, whiteboard videos, logo reveals, anything. You can sell them on your own websites and make an awful lot more. Now remember to check out the next video. It may not be there at the time of watching this one, but it will be there soon. And I'm going to include a number of, I guess you could call them bonuses, but I prefer to call them elements which you can use in order to progress quicker, to make more money, to get started quicker with your own business selling these videos. Now, again, I'm going to add a video in that explains what I'll be giving away. But remember that you will need to get the commercial license if you're going to sell these videos. And I highly recommend you do, because it's a neat way, very quick way of making money. I've just shown you Fiverr. There are numerous sites just like Fiverr that you can sell these videos and logo reveals, explainer videos, whiteboard videos on. And you can charge good money for them. If you decide to set up your own site and doing it, then obviously you can make an awful lot more. But you know, start off with Fiverr. If you've got a Fiverr account, use that to begin with. If you don't, then it'll only take you 5 minutes to set one up, and you can start selling these. You know, you can offer an awful lot. You've seen how much comes with Vidi's. That's all there ready to use. So you can start selling them almost immediately and start making money. And even if that is just $5 a time to begin with, it's still better than spending money on this course and that course and not making anything. At least with this, you don't have to have a website or traffic or anything like that. Just use Fiverr and you can make some money tomorrow.